alone, and how the tears start falling at the mention of his name. And as I watch the clouds roll in, you know I feel the same.